Hello, everybody. This time I am in London after New York and Paris, and I am in the center of the city, there is a square, and since that I am in a different place because it's Christmas, and so we have something that I really love, the Christmas foods with many different things that we love to buy or to eat. So welcome to London, to my workshop to London, and have fun.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am in London and we are in a wonderful private rooftop exactly in Leicester Square in London City. And this is the workshop that is immediately after New York, Paris, and there will be Milano and Rome. In this workshop of today, Your Voice and Your Identity, I have many people with me, and a lot of them comes exactly from Paris because Paris is sold out, and from Rome that is sold out too, and many other countries from US, from Europe, all over the world. And this view, even if it is foggy in London, you know it's foggy and rainy, all right? It will be during the day amazing, and you will see for sure from here because it's a very one of the most famous rooftop in London, the London Eye during the night. Hello, and now it's the time exactly to talk about this workshop in some details. I've got people that love so much this workshop and they decide on their own life to spread the voice and spread the message. One of these person is very fond of this workshop, and the name is Elisa. She will explain better than me what people expect from the workshop at the beginning and what happened after. So today, Elisa will talk about that and the decision to spread this message and let the London city know Inborn Voice better. So nice to meet you, Elisa.
Good morning, Mylena.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Very glad to be here. So let's say that the workshop of experience is a nice experience to feel connected with yourself in one day. Actually, like doing an experience with you is always a pleasure, and you will experience your truly self. You will be able to open yourself to hear from other people who you really are. And it's something that you don't find every day. So I'm very glad to be here. I hope your guests will find it very interesting. They will start to work with you, and they will proceed to work with you.
Yeah, can you just tell us your first feeling when you decide to, attend to one of these workshops? First one, because Elisa has made probably 4, 5, all right.
I will be around the world.
And before and a little bit after, just to let the people that doesn't know what it is, the feeling of that and why you decide to spread here in London, where you live now, from Italy, right? The importance of this message.
Okay, actually, I never decide. I like, it's something that comes like very naturally. So I believe that when you find yourself, when you find your truly voice, it's like a love. It's like a river. You are not doing it like intentionally or like super consciously. It will come like, day by day. The first feeling that you have, I believe for me, was like curiosity to discover myself, to go deep inside myself, and also to be a part of the group and not like to do a lonely or alone, like, let's say, workshop or a lesson with you. Then you feel like a little bit like, how can I say, in a, not a good confusion. You truly like connect with yourself, so you discover who you really are in a like short amount of hour, and it's something I cannot even explain. It's something like very, very deep and very useful for your personal growth.
So thank you so much, Elisa. Thank you. Have a good day today, and let's see after, all right?
Thank you.
Bye.